In this video, today we will talk about top 10 flying cars of upcoming years. The concept of flying cars has been a dream for generations, fueled by science fiction and the endless desire for innovation. As technology advances, this dream is slowly becoming a reality. Several companies are working tirelessly to develop flying cars that are not only functional but also safe and efficient. Here are the top 10 flying cars set to revolutionize transportation in the upcoming years. 1. Aeromobile 5.0. Aeromobile has been at the forefront of flying car innovation for several years. The Aeromobile 5.0 is an advanced version of its predecessor, designed for both road and air travel. This hybrid vehicle can seamlessly transition from a car to a plane, offering unparalleled flexibility for commuters. The Aeromobile 5.0 is expected to feature a full electric mode, making it an environmentally friendly option. With a top speed of 160 mph on the road and 360 mph in the air, it's a powerful machine. The expected range of 700 kilometers in flight mode ensures it can cover long distances with ease. 2. PAL v Liberty. The PAL v Liberty is another contender in the race to bring flying cars to the masses. This gyrocopter-style vehicle is designed to offer a smooth transition between driving and flying. Unlike other flying cars, the PAL v Liberty is already in the final stages of development and is expected to hit the market soon. It has a top speed of 160 mph on the ground and 180 mph in the air, with a flight range of 400 to 500 km. The PAL v Liberty is equipped with dual-engine propulsion and advanced safety features, making it one of the most promising flying cars in the upcoming years. 3. Terrafugia TFX. Terrafugia, a subsidiary of Geely, is known for its ambitious flying car projects. The TFX is a fully autonomous hybrid electric vehicle that can take off and land vertically, eliminating the need for a runway. The TFX is designed to be easy to operate, requiring minimal input from the driver. With a range of 800 kilometers and a top speed of 320 mph in the air, the TFX is poised to revolutionize personal transportation. Its sleek design and advanced technology make it a strong contender in the flying car market. 4. Uber Elevate. Uber has been a game-changer in the transportation industry, and now it's looking to take to the skies with its Uber Elevate project. The goal is to create a network of electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft that can be used for urban air mobility. Uber Elevate is working with several partners, including Joby Aviation and Bell, to develop these flying cars. While the exact specifications of these vehicles are still under wraps, they are expected to be fully electric, with a range of around 150 kilometers and a cruising speed of 240 to 320 mph. Uber plans to launch its aerial ride-sharing service by the mid-2020s, making flying cars a part of daily life. 5. Lilium Jet. The Lilium Jet is an all-electric, 5-seater aircraft designed for regional air mobility. Unlike traditional flying cars, the Lilium Jet is more of a flying taxi, designed to cover distances of up to 300 kilometers on a single charge. The Lilium Jet features 36 electric engines mounted on its wings, allowing for vertical takeoff and landing. With a top speed of 300 mph, it's designed for quick and efficient transportation between cities. Lilium aims to create a network of vertiports across major cities, making the Lilium Jet an integral part of future transportation infrastructure. 6. Volocopter 2X. Volocopter, a German company, is developing the Volocopter 2X, an electric multicopter designed for urban air mobility. The Volocopter 2X is a 2-seater aircraft with 18 rotors, allowing for stable and safe flight. It's designed for short-distance travel, with a range of 35 kilometers and a top speed of 100 mph. The Volocopter 2X is expected to be used for air taxi services in congested cities, offering a quick and efficient way to travel. With its compact design and electric propulsion, the Volocopter 2X is an environmentally friendly option for urban transportation. 7. Terrafugia Transition. The Terrafugia Transition is one of the most well-known flying car projects, unlike other vehicles on this list. The Transition is more of a roadable aircraft than a flying car. It features foldable wings that allow it to switch between driving and flying modes in under a minute. The Transition is powered by a hybrid electric motor and can reach a top speed of 160 mph on the ground and 180 mph in the air. With a flight range of 640 kilometers, the Transition is perfect for short to medium distance travel. Terrafugia is targeting a niche market with the Transition, focusing on pilots and aviation enthusiasts. 8. Hyundai SA1. Hyundai has partnered with Uber to develop the SA1, a fully electric air taxi designed for urban air mobility. The SA1 is part of Hyundai's broader vision for future transportation, which includes autonomous vehicles and smart cities. The SA1 features a sleek design with a wingspan of 15 meters and can carry up to 4 passengers. It's designed for vertical takeoff and landing, with a cruising speed of 290 mph and a range of 100 kilometers. Hyundai aims to have the SA1 in operation by 2028, making it one of the most anticipated flying cars of the upcoming years. 9. Sky. Sky is an innovative flying car developed by Alakai Technologies. What sets Sky apart from other flying cars is its use of hydrogen fuel cells for power, making it one of the most environmentally friendly options. The Sky is designed for vertical takeoff and landing, with a range of 640 kilometers and a top speed of 190 mph. It can carry up to 5 passengers and is designed for both urban and regional air mobility. Sky's use of hydrogen fuel cells gives it a significant advantage in terms of range and sustainability, making it a strong contender in the flying car market. 10. Airbus Vahana. Airbus is one of the biggest names in aviation, and its Vahana project is aimed at developing a fully autonomous electric air taxi. The Vahana is a single-passenger aircraft designed for short-distance urban travel. It features 8 rotors for vertical takeoff and landing, with a top speed of 220 mph and a range of 50 kilometers. The Vahana is designed to be a part of Airbus's broader vision for urban air mobility, which includes a network of vertiports and autonomous vehicles. Airbus has completed several successful test flights of the Vahana, and it's expected to be operational by the mid-2020s. Flying cars are no longer just a concept in science fiction. They are on the brink of becoming a reality. As technology continues to advance, these vehicles will transform the way we think about transportation, offering new possibilities for urban and regional mobility. The next few years will be crucial in determining which of these flying cars will become mainstream. But one thing is certain, the future of transportation is in the sky. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.